In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add buttons in Aweber emails. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place a clear, clickable call to action inside an email that's part of an automation workflow, and how to style it so it looks great on any device. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Aweber. Click the official site in the results to head to the homepage. Once you're there, select Sign In and log into your account. After you're in, look to the main navigation and go to Automation. Then choose Workflows. This is where your automated sequences live. Pick the workflow where you want to add the button. If you're not sure which one to use, open the sequence that contains the email you want to improve or the one you're currently building. Inside the workflow, click the plus icon to add a new action and choose Send Message. Next, select Create a Message to open the email editor. You'll see the content area in the center and a toolbox on the left. To add your button, find the button element in the left-hand toolbar and drag it into your email content where it makes the most sense, typically below a short paragraph explaining what the reader should do next. Keep your layout clean so the button stands out. Click directly on the button you just placed to open its settings on the right side. First, set the button label. Use short, action-oriented text like Get the Guide, Book a Call, or Shop Now. Next, add the URL. Enter the full web address, including HTTPS, to make sure the link works reliably across email clients. A quick tip: paste the link into a new browser tab to confirm it loads correctly before you save. Now style the button so it matches your brand and is easy to read. Adjust the font family and text size, choose a text color with strong contrast, and select a background color that's on brand but still highly visible. You can also set the alignment and spacing so it sits nicely within your layout. Aim for a large, tappable button that looks good on mobile. Preview the email to check how it appears on smaller screens. When you're happy with the content and styling, click Save or Save and Exit if you're done editing. You'll return to your workflow view. Finally, click Publish to push your changes live. Confirm the publication if prompted. That's it. You've added a clear, clickable button to your Aweber email inside a workflow. Test the email, verify the link, and you're ready to go.